What's up, YouTubers? We just arrived in Prague. We took a nap and right now it is what, 5:20?
Yeah.
So there's not much time to left before the sun is setting. Let's roll the intro.
Along the river all the way to Old Prague, where the Charles Bridge is. So we should be there very soon.
Yeah, and also interesting fact, did you know that Prague in Czech we call it Prague, and it's meaning ford or rapids.
A simple taste.
Such a pretty city. It's full of colors. It used to be Czechoslovakia when it was communist up until the 90s, and then when the communist regime went away, they really decided to color everything in all those bright and fun and happy colors.
Finally made it after multiple stops. You guys have no idea.
Like a 30-minute walk.
Yeah, there's like so many beautiful things to take in pictures and video,
but
and
also because we're so jet lagged, we get distracted so easily. Anyway, so after an hour and a half walk for what was supposed to be a 30-minute walk, we're finally at Charles Bridge. It is a landmark that a lot of people come to see. It's a walking bridge right over here.
We just made this stop right in time. Look at this. There's a human ball? How do you call that?
Yeah, they put like somebody inside the ball, so you can literally walk on water if you're good. You'll get the hang of it, I think.
This looks a lot of fun. Jay, do you want to be inside there?
Yeah, be like a hamster.
You wear me down. My actions won't be forgiven. When we first met, a simple text.
So guys, welcome to Charles Bridge.
Finally, we made it. So many people here.
This place is so charming. Look at all the people, the crowd here.
It's very touristy.
Yeah.
It has a lot of little stands that sell pictures, drawings, jewelry, all kind of stuff.
So his name is Kiwi. Kiwi. Thank you. Where you guys from? Italy. And you bring your dog while traveling? Wow, that's amazing. It's all yours.
My name is Matteo.
My name is Silvia.
I come from Italy and this is Kiwi.
Beautiful and charming
dog. Bye bye.
why, but people all stop here to touch this thing on the part where it's gold. And I feel compelled to go touch it. I don't know what it is for. I guess it's for good luck or for like bringing you money. Oh, you imagine how much microbe are on those things because everybody touched it?
Don't think of it. Imagine
It's a
how
little
many
puppy.
people, you know, shine this dog over this guy here. Big castle there. This is called the Prague Castle.
We're going there in 2 days.
Yeah. And also, accordingly to the world record Guinness, it is the biggest castle actually, and it's built in the 800th centuries.
And
Till
you're
today.
full of information today.
Yeah, if you guys wonder why so far until now I didn't put up the drone in the sky, well, this beautiful city doesn't allow drone and we have to respect that. But it would be so awesome.
Yeah, during sunset.
Yeah, I
Best
can't
view
imagine.
ever.
It would be insane just to fly, you know, narrow and near those buildings during the sunset, the golden hour. Oh man. Okay, no joking, it's been over an hour we're here on this stretch of 150 meters above that.
Are you hungry yet?
Yeah, I'm hungry, really hungry. Let's go.
I'm voting for Takyo to try out those desserts because everybody seems to be eating them. They're like crepes
Okay, I'm
and
gonna
with
eat
ice
it.
cream in the middle of it.
I'm gonna eat it if you pronounce it correctly.
But it's like
Okay guys, if you guys know how to read
it's like
that,
a
please help
donut
us.
cone with ice cream in it. Haven't taken a picture with you yet and you don't already want it. Very good. It's like cinnamon flavored. It's like a cinnamon donut with ice cream.
Guys, so we just found this beautiful and charming restaurant. It is a beer garden. It serves local food and look at the size of this bucket beer right here. Oh my god. Look at the foam, how thick it is. Are you okay with the menu, Jane?
Yeah, there's so many choices. I want the half duck big on apples. I want the pork ribs in spicy marinade. But there's also a beef tartare and I really like beef tartare. So now I don't know.
Only Jade can do that. Jade, you were hesitating between three choices?
But then I really figured out the tartare is only $10. So why not take all three? We're ready.
Yeah.
He told me it is very large portion here.
And that face came up like
But it's okay, we can always take it to go, okay?
There's one thing I want to share with you guys. One of my favorite vloggers is Peter Mikkonen. He's very popular. If you guys don't know him, I'll link it below. But what he does, a really cool transition, it's that wipe effect, you know, like, and that's how he does it. So I'm gonna film the Coca-Cola bottle and I'm gonna transit to my beer right here, okay? So that's what he does. And then this is the whip effect, and then this is what I look like.
did you not stop me? I think they're gonna be some leftovers for the room.
You think so? Look at the food here. Look at the size of this duck. And all the portion of bread here.
I think all of
And
this,
this patty.
but all the 3 of those are only $40. For $40 at home, you don't get this.
Now you would have like at 1 meal and a half.
Yeah, basically. So this is ribs marinated in a spicy sauce with some, how you call this?
Coleslaw?
Coleslaw, traditional coleslaw. I'm gonna have a bite.
Wow. This is really ribs?
Oh my god. It's so smoky. I still don't know how you did not stop me.
I still don't know how you managed to order so much. 2 minutes. Oh my god.
Good, huh?
Guys, the bread is amazing. What did they put on the bread? It's like garlic butter with
I don't
some
know, but it's so good.
special spice.
And they give you no napkins.
It's okay. Use your
It's a finger licking good, okay?
eye of this duck right here. It is what, marinade duck?
It's that baked over apple.
Oh, I can smell the apple right now in a caramelized, I don't know, sauce. Oh my god. This is heaven, guys. This is heaven on a plate. Really have to let you guys go if you want to finish all that food.
Tomorrow we're heading to Karlovy Vary, which is a town an hour and a half out of Prague. It's a spa town with tons of thermal water. You can take baths and everything, so we're very excited to go check that out. And for now, I have to eat whatever my eyes ordered for me that's bigger than my stomach.
If you guys like the vlog of today, click on that like button. If you haven't already yet, click on that subscribe button. We present this travel destination weekly, and we see you guys in the next vlog.